Welcome back to our Universe tutorial. Today we want to talk about timers and schedulers. Um, with timers, you can control actions in Universe pretty easy. But why would you need it? You might need it because you have a fixed installation or you want to automate the Universe program. So this is pretty helpful. We have here our set of buttons. We click on the button. Now to get a timer, we go on trigger, which is here. And here we have two Universe intern devices, which is timer and watchdog. What we need now is timer, drag it, drop it, execute, go on. Tick for the first, and we want to make it happen every 3 seconds and repeat it. So why is nothing happening? You know already that you can use every function of Universe also in the edit mode, except for the timer, because you would go crazy if you're still working on your show or still organizing your interface and the button would be fired every 3 seconds. You would go crazy. So what we have to do now is go into the show mode right here. And as you can see, bling, bling, every 3 seconds this button is activated. So we go back. The other option would be to not repeat it. This you can use like if you have one action that should be started at the show and yeah, shouldn't be repeated. Then you don't click on repeat, and in your show you see it's happening only once. That's it. What other options do we have? We can choose instead of tick, we can go on single, where we can control and choose when the button should be activated. Let's say on a working day at 4 p.m. 20 minutes, and go to the other button. Let's say on the weekend at 9 in the morning. Oop. So, and if you lost the control about all your buttons and your actions, you can go on the scheduler. Right here we see our buttons, green one on the workday, orange one on the weekend. And you could choose like single days where you know you don't want these actions to happen, then you can easily deactivate them. Another cool feature on this timer function is you can give yourself extra messages or notes. You can say here, let's say message, and here you see your message, which helps you to organize your buttons and actions. Or we can go on the play button, for example, and let's call it play again, or whatever you like to do to have better control about your buttons. Yeah, and that's pretty much how you work with timers and schedulers in Universe. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next videos and have a lot of fun using Universe.